It's a 2013 Lexus LS460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Car and Driver explains from the brand's inception, Lexus has captured a profitable portion of one-percenters who shun ostentation and appreciate quality, a mission spearheaded by the LS. Judging by its long list of luxury features and the lineup's overall serene character, this latest flagship will maintain the status quo. Lexus, performance in every detail. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.